Hey guys, so it's me, Kiana. Today's video, I'm back to share with you my favorite natural hair care products from the year of 2018. You see, today I'm wearing my natural tresses, and what do you think? I talked about it extensively on my channel in 2018, talking about the struggles that I had as far as my hair shedding in abundance. I took you guys along with me in several vlogs to have my hair treated with my natural hair care specialist, Miss Jeannie, here in Augusta, Georgia. I also did a full series with the ApHogee protein treatment, and these are the end results. So I hadn't really been doing updates on my natural hair just because I think with the processes that we were going through with me trimming my hair extensively every few weeks, as well as using the ApHogee protein treatment, that I really couldn't dive into a lot of products to show you guys strategies that I was using, because at the end of the day my hair was falling out. 2018, my major thing of getting my hair back healthy was the staple on my channel. But with all that being said, I did keep like a huge bag full of products that I use over and over again, like possibly use 2 to 3 bottles of in a year. So those were products that I was getting really good results from when I was styling my natural hair, and I'm just going to share those products with you today. So if you have not already joined my YouTube channel, you make sure that you want to do that. I think we're on the mend with getting my hair back to where I can style it and feel comfortable wearing my natural hair. I don't feel like every time that I'm shampooing my hair that I have tons of it, you know, just falling out. So I do feel like that I'm going to be a little bit more comfortable to share with you some of the strategies that I'm using to style my natural hair this year. Make sure you click that subscribe button to stay up to date, as well as follow me on Instagram so I can share with you some of the products that I'll be using this year as well. So without further ado, if you want to see the products that I use over and over again in 2018, and I will definitely be buying again in 2019, just keep on watching. Toward the end of 2017 into 2018, I really did fall in love with the Mixed Chicks product line. It was the brand of choice for me, for sure. In 2018, I fell in love with their co-wash. Of all the products that I use over and over again, I think the switching from a shampoo with sulfates, etc. in it, that just going to a conditioning cleansing co-wash made the biggest difference. I got a really good clean on it. My hair still felt very hydrated, and it didn't feel like it was overstripped. So this was the product that I probably used the most, that I will say as far as shampoos made the biggest difference with my hair. It really did. Like I said, kept it hydrated. It smelled absolutely amazing, and I probably went through about 4 bottles of this in 2018, and I'm definitely glad that I have a brand new bottle to start with for 2019. As far as shampoos go, I will also give a big props to the Carol's Daughter. This is the Black Vanilla Moisturizing and Shine Sulfate-Free Shampoo. This shampoo was a little bit different than the co-wash. Obviously, it was definitely in the shampoo realm. So especially when I came off the road and I had been wearing wigs a lot and my hair had been tucked underneath in a, you know, in a conditioning state, I definitely wanted to get a really good clean on my hair. But again, because I was dealing with a lot of shedding, I didn't want to overstrip my hair to where I felt like I was going to be popping it for any reason. This Black Vanilla Moisturizing and Shine Sulfate-Free Shampoo was my favorite shampoo of 2018. And you'll see that I've used all of it up, and I didn't use it a lot. I only needed about 1 pump of this, and it gave me a really good lather on my hair. But again, it didn't overstrip my hair. I've already purchased a brand new one, and I'll definitely be using this over and over again for 2019. Now I want to move into conditioners, because I really feel like conditioners make the biggest difference with my hair. Definitely giving a lot of slip to making sure that I wasn't tangling my hair. And I also use a lot of deep conditioners and masks when my hair was underneath the dome cap and underneath a wig. I wanted to make sure that I was locking in moisture and definitely able to get that deep conditioning while I was on the road as well. I was sponsored in 2018 by the Mixed Chicks brand. Love those girls so much. I ended up doing a few shows with them in 2018. I ended up with the salon bottles of the deep conditioner. I want to say that we went to, I'm saying we because my daughter and my son also use this. My husband wears a bald head, so he really don't care what we use. But we probably went through 2 or 3 of these deep conditioners, because the deep conditioner for me was the thing that I did with my hair every week. I did follow Bianca Renee today's deep conditioning challenge, so I definitely committed to doing that at least once a week. And for me, I probably did it, if not once, maybe twice a week, because again, I did use this underneath my dome cap. I found that for me, just rinsing my hair out when I was on the road maybe once or twice and putting a deep conditioner underneath it to kind of twist my hair down and put a dome cap on it, I didn't have as much tangles and I didn't have as much shedding. So of course my hair was rapidly being dried out underneath the dome cap as well as underneath the wig. So I probably did deep condition a little bit more than the standard person, but for me it just worked. And for me, I definitely wanted to make sure that I wasn't having hair just pop out of my head because I was using wigs as protective styling. Like, it really didn't make sense to do that if you weren't going to be taking care of your hair underneath the wig and the dome cap. So this product to me definitely fit the bill, and you'll see that we're empty again. Whereas the Mixed Chicks was the most used deep conditioner for me and my family in 2018, let's move into leave-in conditioners. Leave-in conditioners, of course, I used several bottles of the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner because I was having to worry about styling my hair a little bit more with a lot of the shedding, a lot of the breakage. I was having to make sure every strand did something very specific. I did a lot of finger coils in 2018 just to kind of create a little bit more shape with the hair that I did have on my head. So the Mixed Chicks was light enough that I could kind of create that style, and it gave me a lot of styling options as far as the finger coils. So I definitely love that. Oftentimes I found on the road that I would want to pull my hair back with the Mixed Chicks bands. I wore my hair underneath a hat when I wasn't wearing a wig when I was on the road, only because it just gave me a different type styling option where I didn't have to worry about dealing with my hair. So I would kind of pull it back, put a ball cap on, and kind of rock that style when I was traveling a lot. And I also used the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Cantu for me was just one of the best drugstore products that I used all year. It provided a lot of moisture, it provided a lot of manageability, and it really did just hold my curl. And actually the Cantu is what I use in my hair today. What I did find is Cantu was very, very heady for my hair, especially when I was needing a little bit more stretch to kind of create the appearance of a little fuller head of hair. But as far as me just pulling it back in the cap, it kept those curls nice and coiffed. And now that I have a little bit more length, I can actually use the Cantu in my hair now and not worry about such shrinkage. It's fitting the bill. So Cantu, as far as drugstore products, amazing. Now let's move into the category of which I think I was the most expensive in 2018. The Blueberry Bliss Repair and Hair Mask. This product smelled absolutely amazing, and you'll see that I kept a little piece of hair in here just to remind myself that I needed to buy this product over and again. It smelled amazing. It gave me the most amount of shine to my hair after I would shampoo. Love this product. Also, because it smelled so good, sometimes I would even cheat and use a little bit of that again underneath my dome cap. I would just kind of twist my hair down with it and just kind of really let my hair hydrate itself. I think most people that are on their natural hair journey have tried the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner. This is for dry and damaged hair. I find myself using this one a lot when I wanted to do kind of like a twist down or a braid down on my hair, because it gave it a beautiful kind of a wave after I would take it out. I thought it was economically priced. I love the pump on the product, and this was another one that I fell in love with because I did feel like it helped restore my hair. And lastly, my favorite mask was the Strengthening and Restore Treatment Mask by Shea Moisture. This one has black Jamaican castor oil in it. Super heavy for my hair, but amazing for my hair when I came out of protective styles. I feel like this was the one that I would probably wear on my hair maybe up to an hour underneath a plastic cap and a hat. Like, I would go through the other steps for this because I absolutely love the results of how my curls would just spring back after being stretched out underneath the dome cap. So I love this Shea Moisture product. Now, lastly, we move into styling. I think the thing that I fell in love with these two products as far as styling in 2018. Again, I was really big into finger coiling my hair, only because I felt like I had so much shedding and I felt like I just saw so much scalp. So I really took it upon myself to kind of finger coil my hair and make my hair fall where I needed it to fall, so I wouldn't have to do as much volumizing, so to speak. Like, it would just be more so like I had stepped out of the salon type look. The Curl Sculpting by Mixed Chicks was a fast drying gel, so a very lightweight gel that I could get a lot of sheen on my hair after I had shampooed and conditioner. And then I would follow through and just specifically finger coil using the Coil and Kink and Curl Styling Cream. Absolutely obsessed with the products with Mixed Chicks in 2018. And as far as thickening as well as deepening my roots, EBIN came out with this is the Jet Black, and it is kind of a hair pomade or a edge control, but I love that it was colored, so it always gave me a little bit more density at the root of my hair when I want to do something slick back, or if I needed to work with my baby hairs. I love that this product had color. I love the look of a slick back ponytail, but my edges were a little bit on the thinner side, and you'll see that I'm starting to get a lot more volume to them right now. This product definitely got me through. And lastly, I think TOPPIK is one of my favorite tinting products that I really had to go through for the root of my hair when I was having to worry about, oh my God, are you going to see so much scalp? I really remember going through having fits about my hair being so thin, and my hairstylist just really made me feel that I wasn't the only one going through the process, because she sees hundreds and hundreds of people, and she's like, girl, just try this, you know, just use a little bit of root spray. So TOPPIK was one of the things that I really feel like I stuck to. I even invested in the nozzle to kind of create a little bit more dimension at the root of my hair, so it kind of got me through those days that I wanted to wear my natural hair, but I was spazzing out over the roots being too thin. In conclusion, I just wanted to say that 2018 really did bring some major highs and some major lows for my natural hair. I fell in love with it. I did get my hair to go all the way blonde, only to have to cut it all back off. So this is the hair that we're seeing right now. I'm looking forward to seeing where my hair journey goes. I'm really excited about the volume that I have at this point. But I do want to make very clear that toward the end of 2018, I did refer to my doctor, and this was under recommendation of my hairstylist. We did find out that I am anemic or borderline anemic, which also played a major role in me not being able to maintain a lot of my hair. You have to have a certain level of iron in your system to maintain hair, and I wasn't. My iron levels are severely low, to the point that I had her recommend me a multivitamin, and this one is called Moisturizing Plus tablet. Basically, it's just a high dose of a multivitamin. I don't want to go in too far with this, but I am going to tell you, if you have been experiencing shedding, typically your body will show you signs of where it has a deficiency. So my deficiency was coming from my blood, and it was showing in my hair. So I'm super excited that I did go through that journey, and we've identified with it. I am going to start taking these consistently today. So we'll do maybe like a 6 months update to see if I can tell a big difference in the multivitamin. She did recommend that I could go to maybe Target or GNC and get some vitamins that have a high count of iron. But because I am going to be ingesting something, I want to make sure that I am underneath a doctor's care. My doctor's told me that this vitamin isn't going to work, so I'm gonna hold her to it. So there you have my favorite natural hair care products from the year of 2018. I think that, you know, I'm feeling my natural hair, and I told you guys that my natural hair was going to make a major comeback in 2019. So, dun, 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 intro to 2019. So I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down below if I shared with you any of your favorite hair care products. What products do you think I should try next? You guys know I love to know, so comment down below. You guys also know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Also click that bell for post notifications. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.